Hey there, Clay Patton with a check of your closing markets for Tuesday, April the 21st. The bears took broad strokes at the entire market complex on Tuesday, given the risk-off sentiment that was created on Monday following the negative and historic price action in the crude oil futures. Now, equities did try to move higher on news of the existing home sales beating analysts' expectations, but they still came in slightly under February's numbers and unfortunately were not able to mount a rally. As you take a look into your grain markets, traders closely watched the latest crop progress report that came out Monday after the close. Winter wheat conditions were one to see if there would be any freeze effect damage from the previous week's cold snap, and we did see a 5% drop in that national good to excellent rating to 57% good to excellent. Corn planting continues across the country, but a little bit of a sluggish pace, 2% behind the 5-year average at 7% complete. Now, on Tuesday specifically, soybeans made a late-day rally, and it started in the soybean meal complex. That's what we continue to see positive crusher margins continue to move over. That bled over to the soybeans, helping them both into the green. The December new crop corn futures settled at $3.32 even. November new crop soybeans settled at $8.48 even. July Chicago wheat futures settled at $5.45, and July Kansas City wheat futures settled at $5.04. Over in the livestock, May and June lean hog contracts were able to settle into the green, given some short covering at the end of the day. We didn't see quite enough cash action to really turn on the cattle bulls, but we did see a regional packer buy roughly 1,000 head in Nebraska at $1.50 dressed. Now, there isn't any other packer bids to mention of here this afternoon, but we do see the asking prices of cattle on show list at $1.05 live to $1.68 dressed and on the rail. We see June live cattle futures settle $83.22, August feeder cattle futures settle $1.25.97, and June lean hog settle at $47.77. That's a check of your closing markets here Tuesday, April the 21st. I'm Clay Patton. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow afternoon.